dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic is the new blue dress. Okay, it is related to unit 1. Reading, see the new blue dress. Okay, here actually what are the characters here? First, before going into the characters, I just want to ask you a question that children, have you ever received any gift from any present from your teacher? Yes? Yes. So you might be received, some of you might be received some presents from teachers. Yes? So here a girl received a gift, a present from her teacher. Why she received? For what purpose she received? Why the teacher have presented? So let us know, children. The new blue dress. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gate Avenue. So there was a street that is called Gate Avenue. Okay, it is in the Cleveland city. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gate Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gate Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. That Gate Avenue was looking so dirty and so ugly. It was not at all neat and tidy. Gate Avenue was a short street, and Gate Avenue, it is very short street. But it seemed longer because it was so ugly. But it is very short but seemed so longer because of that ugly untidiness and all. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. Why it is looking untidy? Because it doesn't have sufficient money to make neat and tidy. Okay, they are very poor family background and they doesn't have money. And they never expected to have any more, and they feel like further in future also they may not keep the street clean because lack of money and all. They doesn't have proper money. Their houses had not been painted for many years, so houses were not painted for many years, and they did not even have running water, and the street itself was ugly too. There was no pavement, there was no street light and the railroad. So it is a very poor street, and they doesn't have proper pavement on the road. They are not having, and they are not having the street lights. And even they are not having the running water. So many problems they are facing, okay, because they doesn't have proper money. So that is a problem. And the other girls in the school near Gate Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring, but the little girl from Gate Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. Probably that was the only dress she wore. Only one dress she is having, only that dress she will be wearing for the school. Whereas the other street girls and all, they are having new dresses and all. But she is very poor, she doesn't have the dress to wear. And whole winter she have worn the dirty dress only. Her teacher was very unhappy, but the teacher was looking at that girl. The teacher felt really unhappy. The little girl was so nice. The little girl, she was so nice, and she always worked hard in school. She was always friendly and polite. That girl is very polite, very friendly, and very good-natured girl. And her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. Always her hair was untidy and face looked so dirty. But anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. Okay, but nobody is able to see her prettiness under her dirt, back of the dirt. One day the teacher said to the girl, "Would you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that just for me." So the teacher requested, asked the girl, "Please, for sake of me, you wash your face neatly before coming to school." So the next day morning only the child's pretty face looks very clean, and her hair also looked very tidy. She combed neatly and she washed her face and came so neatly to school. But before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." So that day when she is leaving the school, she told her, "You ask your mother to wash your uniform also." But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. But the girl next day the girl came with that same dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. So the teacher thought maybe mother is not interested in washing her dress. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. So one bright blue dress she bought and the teacher presented to that girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. The girl felt really so happy when the teacher presented her that blue dress. And she rushed to home. She ran to her home. The next day morning, she came to school in the new blue dress. Next day morning, nicely, she washed her face, combed her hair. She wore the blue dress and she came to school. And she was very clean and tidy. And she told her teacher, my mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. My father wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight. She was full of excitement and she told the teacher, my mother really felt very happy by looking at me. But my father went to work, he didn't see me, but evening sure I will definitely show my dress to my father when having supper. That time he will surely feel very happy, she told. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. The family had never used a tablecloth before. We are going to begin to be tidier here, his wife said. I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. So father in the evening, by looking at that pretty girl, he thought, wow, wow, so beautiful girl I am having. I really didn't notice that. And even a cloth on the kitchen table he observed. And the wife started to tell her husband that I am going to be neat, and when our child is neat, why can't we keep neat and tidy, she thought. And father also, he just started to think about that. And after supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. After finishing the supper, the mother started to clean the floor of the kitchen. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. Then he too thought, yes, I also have to keep something neat, and he went outside to repair the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. So altogether they started to make neat the garden and all. And during the following week only, the same week, the next week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. So the next to their house, in the neighbor who is looking at this man who is working and keeping all the surrounding neat and tidy, he too started to thought, yes, I too have to paint my house, he thought. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in the two houses, and for the first time in 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of the church near Gate Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. So while this was happening, a young minister passed towards the two houses. Okay, near to the two houses, he saw that two men were working very hard to keep their surroundings neat and tidy. And he too thought, yes, I have to somehow I have to help them so that they keep these all surroundings neat and tidy. Then the minister, he noticed that there is no pavement, there is no street light, and there is no even running water. Then he immediately informed. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on the Gate Avenue and no street light, no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. So they need really help. So the minister thought, and he asked some important citizens in the city to help them. So he requested some of the other citizens in the city to help them. And a few months later only, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gate Avenue. So because of that young minister, there was pavement, street lights, and even running water in that place, Gate Avenue. And the houses had running water. 6 months after, the little girl got her new blue dress. Gate Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. The Gate Avenue became so tidy and neat now, and the respectable citizens. When people in other places heard the story of Gate Avenue, the people who heard about the Gate Avenue story, they began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. They to other places also started to keep their houses, their surroundings neat and tidy. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. So in that way, from one to another, so almost more than 7,000 towns and cities, they started to paint and keep their surroundings neat and tidy, and they made several campaigns. Okay, who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress. So here, with the gift presented by the teacher to the poor little girl, have brought a drastic change in the Gate Avenue. Finally, it became neat and tidy By looking at this, this story has been known to everyone, and almost more than 7,000 people have changed. So that's really wonderful about this story. As children, I hope you have understood, children. Thank you so much.